Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at this Kitchen Mama can opener. It's an electric can opener that kind of goes around the outside of the can. I got this off of Amazon. I kind of saw somebody else have one. It was kind of cool, so I thought I'd get one and take a look at it. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box and lay everything out and see what we got. All right, so we got it opened up. We just have some basic packaging in there along with the use and care manual. So this is the can opener. It's battery powered. That's the start button to get it going. And the way it works is this little gear attaches onto the can, and then the blade is actually underneath this big piece in here. And then it kind of just circles around the can, which we'll demonstrate here in a minute. So it does take 4 AA batteries. To take this back compartment out, you could just slide it like that, and then just take your batteries. Make sure you look at the orientation in there. And let's throw the batteries in. All right, then we'll line up our cover and slide it right back on. So our battery is back on, and like I said, you press that button. So I'm gonna grab a can. In my case, I got a can of tuna, and you basically just set that on there and hit the button and let it go around the can. And then once it goes all around, you just hit that button again and it comes off. And then the way it cuts at the top. So it's not cutting on the inside rim like a traditional one does. It kind of cuts around the top part, and then that just lifts right off. And you have your can of tuna. You do have to turn it off when it reaches the end. But overall, I mean, I think it works pretty slick. It's pretty easy. You set it on there, hit a button. It does say in the manual to make sure you turn it off. You don't want it to keep going around and around and around because it can create little metal shards. So that is a quick review of the Kitchen Mama electric can opener. I'll leave a link in the comments if this is something you want to get. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns on it, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.